My Nigerian people, I don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to we say it just happened. The Minister of Works, wey be Dave Umar, don come talk say federal government go put toll gate for all the federal roads dem wey dey for inside Nigeria, and im yarn dis talk during wey be say im dey talk to media dem for inside Abuja on September 4th, 2023. The students of Abrusali University wey be AAU for Ekpoma don come do an ugly protest say because they increase their school fees with over 75%. As the Senate dem come and suspend the academic activities dem for inside the school after wey dem finish the meeting wey dem do on Monday, September 4th, 2023. Say because make the students dem wey dey do an ugly protest make dem no go scatter things for inside the school.
Share you dey post my sticker. You know send sticker. You know send. I don't promote all senior colleagues wey dey there.
Plenty Nigerians don come fire abuse dey give the trade union congress after wey dem comot body for the 2 days warning strike wey Nigeria Labour Congress dem talk say dem wan do, and dem start am today on Tuesday wey be September 50, and also dem go do am tomorrow on Wednesday, September 60, 2023. And na the TUC president wey be Festus Osifo na im come out come yarn dis talk say dem no go join for the protest wey Nigeria Labour Congress talk say dem wan do after when im do meeting with the Minister of Labour and Employment wey im name be Simon Lalong after wey dem do the meeting on Monday night 2023. As Nigeria Labour Congress don start their 2 days warning strike wey dem say dem go do on Tuesday, September 5th and on Wednesday, September 60, wey make plenty banks dem don come join dem for inside dis strike as banks dem come close all their branches dem all over Nigeria, wey make people dem wey say dem go do transaction for inside bank today for Kaduna dem come dey stranded on September 5th, 2023. The Nigerian ogbonge lawyer and also activist wey im name be Femi Falana don come dey talk say people dem wey say dem vote for the first time that they try dey push say make the presidential election tribunal court to say they must declare their candidate winner. As im come yarn say dem no fit force judiciary to do wetin we say they wan do with their gragra wey say they dey do on top social media. Say make they allow all the justice dem to look into the evidence, and na from there and they go take talk the judgment.
Some of the people involved are voting for the first time, and they believe, rightly or wrongly, that their candidate must be declared the winner. And I think that is what is going on. The justices to look at the evidence adduced by the parties, apply the law, and give a decision.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come reach New Delhi for inside India for the G20 summit as senior officials dem for inside the government for India don come welcome am with other Nigerian officials dem wey dey work for inside Nigeria embassy for India. The Nigeria Labour Congress officials dem don come provoke as dem come start the 2 days warning strike. Come dey waka about to dey check all the offices dem wey dey for inside Ogun State, wey make dem come catch some people dem wey say dem go open their office and dem no obey the law, say dem wan do the 2 days warning strike, as dem come give the people dem small beating to try to enforce the strike. One man don come post this video on top social media as im come dey lament, dey complain how bad the Nigerian prison take be, as im come show these prisoners wey be say dem lie down almost lie down on top each other as dem come dey suffocate themselves for inside the prison, and even the food wey be say dem dey give them na water beans wey be say no even reach 2 spoons wey dem go fit chop, and after dem chop am that day, the next one wey dem go chop again na tomorrow again. As the man come dey warn say this kind thing at all, say government need to chook eye on top Nigerian prison because these people dem wey dey here na human being dem still be. The National Executive Committee of the new Nigerian People's Party wey be NNPP don come pursue their presidential candidate for on top the February 25th presidential election wey be Rabiu Kwankwaso take comot from inside their party. So because he no gree take show face after wey the disciplinary committee invite am to show face. 4 people dem don come kpai on Tuesday, September 50, 2023, during wey be say the Lagos State Task Force and tanker drivers dem with some agberos dem dey fight for Mile 2, as plenty people dem wey dey waka their own jejely come dey run for their life during wey be say dem come dey shoot gun anyhow. But later the Lagos State Calabar police come show face to calm the kasala down, and but we never really know wetin cause this gbege wey make dem take dey kpai theirself. The Rivers State Calabar Police Command don arrest the police officers dem wey be say dem post on top this video wey go blow one woman for mouth to come wunjure the woman after with the video wey dem post am on top social media on September 1st, 2023, as one woman wey be say e wunjure for mouth wey make im sister come dey do the video come dey abuse the Calabar officers dem. The wey be say the Calabar officers dem stop their motor dey do stop and search for that Ada George area for inside Rivers State. Calabar operative for inside Plateau State don come catch one woman wey her name be Patient Solomon wey go thief-talize her friend, the 10-month-old baby pikin 1 month ago for inside Jos, as she carry the pikin take run go Lagos State inside Ikorodu area. But later she come use her hand take carry the pikin take go back Jos, as she come talk say because her mind dey judge am na im make her take carry the pikin take go give her im mama. And on September 4th, 2023, the Calabar police come out come yarn the store. The Akwa Ibom boy wey im name be Hope don go back to im mama after 7 years, and after we be say im mama and other people dey abandon the boy when he dey 2 years old, say because the boy na winch, as they come leave the boy make hungry beat am take kpai. But on January 30th, 2016, the Denmark aid worker wey her name be Anja Regreen Loving don come rescue the boy. As im carry the boy come dey take care of the boy, dey give am better food wey make the boy come dey kakaraka and im body don dey okay. And after 7 years, na so dem come carry am they go back go give him mama for inside Akwa Ibom State. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.